Have you ever wondered how corruption affects a nation's growth? In India, corruption is a major barrier. It distorts markets, misallocates resources, and erodes public trust. These issues limit economic potential and slow down development across the country. Corruption manifests in both public and private sectors. India's informal economy creates ample opportunities for corrupt practices. Let's break down how this issue directly impacts India's growth. First, corruption dampens investment. Both foreign and domestic investors shy away from corrupt environments. Increased costs and risks scare off foreign firms. They dislike unpredictable policies based on corruption. Domestic entrepreneurs also hesitate to invest long-term when corruption looms. Next, corruption leads to misallocation of resources. Public spending often gets diverted from essential projects. Projects with high social value, like education and healthcare, suffer. Instead, funds flow into large projects where kickbacks are easier to hide. This poor allocation wastes public funds and lowers infrastructure quality. Corruption also reduces tax revenue. Tax evasion enables corruption to thrive, shrinking the government's financial resources. A smaller tax base hinders investment in essential services and infrastructure. This limits growth opportunities and essential poverty alleviation programs. Moreover, corruption widens income inequality. It acts as a tax on the poor, forcing them to pay bribes for vital public services. This burden exacerbates the divide between rich and poor. Income inequality becomes a persistent problem affecting social cohesion. Finally, corruption undermines institutional quality. It weakens the rule of law and reduces trust in political institutions. When people feel the system is rigged, civic engagement declines. This lack of engagement damages society's ethical standards. Now, let's discuss solutions to combat corruption. A multifaceted approach is necessary. We need legal, administrative, and technological reforms to tackle this issue. First, digitalization and e-governance can make a difference. Initiatives like direct benefit transfer reduce human interactions. This limits discretionary power, reducing petty corruption opportunities. Simplifying bureaucratic procedures also helps lessen the chances of officials demanding bribes. Next, we must strengthen accountability and legal frameworks. Empower oversight bodies like the Central Vigilance Commission. Ensure the functional independence of these anti-corruption organizations. Additionally, implement whistleblower protections to encourage transparency and reporting. Lastly, promoting transparency and public participation is essential. The Right to Information Act empowers citizens. It allows them to demand accountability from government agencies. Engaging citizens through campaigns fosters a culture of integrity. Encouraging civic reporting can lead to more ethical governance. In summary, corruption severely impacts India's economic growth. It discourages investment, misallocates resources, reduces tax revenue, and widens inequality. However, we can combat corruption through technology, accountability, and transparency. Let's take action. Equip yourself with knowledge and share this video. Advocate for measures that combat corruption. Together, we can work towards a more transparent and prosperous India.